Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our IPSY Original. This is the last one for 2025, okay? And it is the December bag. For those of you who are not familiar with it, yes, there is a name change, and this one that used to be Glam Bag is now the IPSY Original. Okay, I will leave all the details down below as well as a code so that you can get some money off if you decide to try it for yourself. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I want to do is show you when we open the bag and take it out. This is the first thing that we get. This is a beautiful bag. It's really, really beautiful. Purple with these beautiful bows, and it just says IPSY on the zipper pull. All right, and of course they still have the original one, still has our description card. All right, and on the outside it says play beauty, spread joy, and that's what that looks like. And inside it gives us information about all the items that are in this month's bag. The first item that we have is this one right here. And this is the Ditto Overnight Lip Mask. It says wake up to softer, smoother lips with this nourishing overnight mask. The rich formula is infused with hydrating shea butter, soothing vitamin E, and antioxidant-rich berry extracts. And they help to lock in moisture while you sleep. By morning, your lips will feel plump, refreshed, and ready for gloss, balm, or lipstick. All right, so let's see what kind of details it gives us. Now, this one is a 0.14 ounce size. And, oh, I love, it has a barcode sticker on it, so it is sealed. Okay, and let's check for the shelf life. A 12-month shelf life. And it is a cruelty-free product. It does give us one more tip, and it says you can even use it during the day, just a small amount, to give you extra hydration throughout the day. Now, this one is a full-size product, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $11. Okay, so that's the first one, and that's item number one. The second item that we have is this one right here, and this one is by Tarte. And this one is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm Gloss, and it's in rose. It says gloss meets balm in this juicy formula that cushions lips with hydration while adding a glossy pop of rosy color. Powered by the brand's maracuja oil, this yummy formula helps to nourish and smooth for that fresh, juicy look. All right. As you could tell, this one is definitely not a full size, okay? And it is, as it's stated, in the shade Rose, and it has a 12-month shelf life. That's all the details it's giving us about this one. Now, I'm going to open it just so I can show you what the shade looks like, all right? And this is still in the plastic right there. You still would twist it for it to come up for use. If you were to get the full size, it would be a 2-gram size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $27. Okay, the next item that we have is by IPSY Beauty, and this is the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Now it says this satin sheen primer melts in to blur pores and smooth fine lines, while superfoods like black sesame oil and black seaweed help brighten and soften. Worn alone, it gives you that fresh, no makeup radiance. Layered under foundation, it makes everything glide on seamlessly. Now this one, of course, is a sample as well. And it is a 0.3 a fluid ounce size, and it has 8 super blacks essence. And it is a Korean beauty product, and it also has a 12-month shelf life. Now, if you were to get this in the full size, it would be a 1 ounce size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $37. Okay, we're moving right along. Okay, the next one we have is by Feel, and it's this one right here. Actually, it's called Feel Beauty. Feel Retinol Body Milk. Say hello to smooth, glowier skin. Glowier, okay. Glowier skin from neck to toes with this milky body lotion. It's formulated with retinol to help visibly boost radiance while keeping moisture on lock. Lightweight, silky, and designed for daily use. It leaves your skin feeling like you just got back from a spa day. All right. Now this one, of course, is a deluxe sample as well. And it says this one is a 1 fluid ounce size. It says it is 0.01% retinol, and it helps firm the skin. It treats body breakouts and deeply moisturizes the skin. Okay, now this one is also a cruelty-free product, and it too has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. Well, it's sealed. I wanted to open it and see if we could see what it smelled like, but we'll see, because y'all know on this channel we do swatch at the end, and we're getting close, but we still have one more item. But if you were to get this retinol body milk in a full size, it would be 180 milliliters, and the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $38. All right, now we're down to the last item, and it's in this bubble wrap. This is by Luna Magic. And this is what the package looks like. And this is the Armor palette. Okay. Nice. This is one of those kind of travel with you palettes, you know. This is the Armor palette. And it says, fall head over heels for these ultra blendable, richly pigmented mauve shades that flatter every skin tone. With buttery mattes and luminous shimmers, this palette makes dialing up your eyes look easy. Plus, it's compact and travel friendly. All right, so let's see what it's all about. By the way, this is a full-size product. All right, and it has 5 shades. It is a cruelty-free product, and it finished out the bunch. Okay, it finished out the bunch with another one with a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so I know you just want to see what it looks like, right? Well, look at this. This is beautiful. It kind of looks like another palette that I have. But let me tell you something. That other palette, it may have similar shades, but it's not compact like this. Okay, this is really nice. Really nice. We're at the end almost. I just need to give you a little bit more information about it. Okay, these shades actually have names. From this side, this is self-care. This one is intimate. This one is desired, obsessed, and in love. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $26. Okay, fantastic, right? Absolutely. So let's see, are we swatching anything other than this? I would like to open this Lip Nourish, but I just received another balm and lip mask, so don't want to open that one yet. I did show you what the Maracuja lip balm looks like, just in case. Here's that shade again, and this is Rose. All right, we don't want to swatch it. Don't want to mess with it anymore because I want it to maintain the integrity of that 12 months. Okay, now let's go ahead and swatch this Amore beautiful palette. All right, okay, we've swatched them, so let's take a look. Look at that. That's gorgeous, right? And this is just one swatch, okay? And we're starting with right here. That is self-care. The next one is intimate. The next one is desired. Then it's obsessed and in love. What do you think? Beautiful, right? I definitely like it, and I really like the fact that it's so travel friendly. It's small enough to drop in your bag, yet impactful enough to take care. Beautiful looks, several from day to night. I like it, definitely like it. Well, what are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts on the items in our December bag? These are beautiful. I like each item that we received. We did get 3 lip products, and then we got body products. Well, a body lotion, or as they call it, body milk. And we also received a face primer. Not bad, not bad at all. So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our last IPSY Original of 2025. These are the items that we received. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for just the full size items. All right. Yes, we more than made our money back based on that. Okay. Now, make sure you like this video. If you enjoyed what we showed, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, give it a heart, you know, let us know what you think. If you have some comments about it, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Did you get the same items that I have? Are we IPSY twins or just IPSY sisters for now? All right, then make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Season Beauties family. Right now, we got a giveaway going on for our Season Beauties. All right. Now, make sure you share this video. Share it with someone who you know might want to try it. You know, it's a nice way to try out some new items and get a beautiful bag in the process. All right. Now, I just want to ask you one question before we sign off. Who is Leah? I just want to know. Who is Leah? All right. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.